Good morning. Blessings in the market are hard to come by for now. The bitter trials and tribulations continue even as the ray of hope appears in Europe. The ongoing issue over FDI in retail remains while the PM strongly for a change defends the move. Parliament has hardly functioned in the 6 sittings this winter session. The scenario may not change much as the opposition to FDI in retail reaches a crescendo. In fact, the centre may have to brace for another political storm, this time over the proposed Lokpal bill. Anna Hazare is not happy with the draft and has threatened another agitation. In short, political developments are likely to hog the headlines in short term. While the markets may keep one eye on New Delhi, the main focus will be on Q2 GDP data. Majority of forecasts see further drop, with many predicting a fall below 7%. US markets closed mixed to flat. The conference board reported that its consumer confidence index in November rose by most in more than 8 years. European indices gained marginally. Asian benchmarks are mostly in the red. FIs continue to be net sellers while the domestic funds are trying to counter that by buying in a weak market. Meanwhile, LIC has cut its investment for FY12 by a third to Rs 400 billion from 600 billion earlier. It would be prudent to remain cautious given the downbeat sentiment and worsening macroeconomic backdrop. Restrict your purchases to quality stocks and stagger your buying due to continued uncertainty. A two-day meeting of Eurozone finance minister got underway on Tuesday. They have reportedly agreed on their terms to expand the firepower of the region's bailout fund. European Union summit is scheduled for next week as well. The UK's new official forecast predicts lower economic growth and higher than expected borrowing. Italian bonds saw strong demand but yields hit new highs. The ECB failed to fully offset its purchases of Eurozone government bonds through a weekly money market operation. S&P has downgraded several global banks following a revision in its rating criteria for the world's 37 largest financial institutions. Moody's has warned that 87 banks across 15 of the 17 Eurozone countries could face downgrade. S&P could lower the outlook of France's AAA rating in coming days, according to the reports. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend going short on Canara Bank December futures below Rs 437 with stop loss placed at Rs 444 and for the target price of Rs 420. Traders can buy Z Limited above Rs 125 with a strict stop loss of Rs 121 and for the target price of Rs 135. Our derivative strategies for the day are: long Wipro December futures between Rs 375 to Rs 377 for target price of Rs 387 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 371. Short Bank India December futures between Rs 326 to Rs 328 for target price of Rs 316 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 332. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.